Hi everybody, Sherry Sicard, aka Cannabis Sherry here, and I want to talk to you today about cannabis infused vinaigrettes. Now, vinaigrettes are one of the easiest and healthiest ways to use your marijuana infused oil. They're simple to make and very versatile. But before I talk more about vinaigrettes, I just want to remind everybody to hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. And if you get value out of these videos, be sure to hit the like button too. Another thing to do, check out the comments section below because there's going to be a free download to my special cannabis vinaigrettes tutorial. Now, this is the actual transcript of a cooking class I gave a few years ago at the first ever Edibles Expo in Los Angeles. So on to vinaigrettes. If you're anything like most of my friends and family members, you have at least 3 bottles of salad dressing in your fridge, possibly many more than that. Entire aisles of supermarket real estate are devoted to displaying dizzying arrays of marinades, sauces, and salad dressings. And despite what the people who make all those bottles want you to think, there's no great mystery to making fabulous tasting vinaigrettes for dressings at home. Now, if you have a food processor or mini processor, it takes no time at all to make even the most elaborate and tasty of vinaigrettes. But even without those tools, a whisk and your arm action can also get great results. And it's important to note that a vinaigrette, whether medicated or not, can be used for a whole lot more than just salad dressings. Use versatile vinaigrettes to season simple, healthy foods like steamed veggies or simply cooked fish or chicken. They're great on sandwiches too, especially Italian-style sub-sandwiches. And depending on the vinaigrette, they can even flavor fruit salads. Now, at its most basic form, a vinaigrette is nothing more than a mixture of an oil with an acid, usually vinegar, but sometimes citrus juices. Most cookbooks recommend a basic formula of 1 part acid or vinegar to 3 parts oil. Now, if you have good organic salad ingredients, this basic formula plus a little salt and pepper are all these ingredients really need to shine. Now, when it comes to oil, it's a no-brainer to swap out some of the oil in vinaigrettes for cannabis-infused oil. Now, how much regular oil as opposed to cannabis oil you will use in your recipe will depend on your personal tolerance and the strength of the cannabis you're going to use to make your infused oil. Now, my free dosing class or my dosage calculators will help you easily figure out an amount that works for you, and there'll be links to those in the comments below. But vinaigrettes can be about so much more than just vinegar and oil, hence all those bottles crowding the supermarket shelves. Think of them as a blank canvas that you can embellish in countless ways, depending on the occasion, your mood, and what you happen to have on hand. They can be subtle and delicate, or bold and spicy, or fruity, and every variation and combination in between that you can imagine. You can use a wide array of vinegars and even citrus juices for the acidic part of your vinaigrette, and you can embellish the flavors with all kinds of ingredients, such as mustards, horseradish, herbs, spices, and much, much more. So check out the links in the comments below and download my free marijuana vinaigrettes tutorial. You'll find mix and match ingredient lists along with chef's tips to make perfect vinaigrettes every time. The tutorial even works when you don't want to add cannabis, but vinaigrettes are one of the best ways to use your cannabis oil. Download now and eat your weed.